QMR. QMR is a reversal chart pattern. This is my chart. Now let me briefly show you what it means here. For QMR, this is your QMR. Let's assume you have a particular POI right here, right? So the price is buying. If the price is buying, the price mitigates your POI. You know the price is supposed to sell because the price has mitigated your POI. The price is supposed to break structure, mitigate your supply and sell off. But instead of selling, you see the price come back and hit your stop loss, take you out. It will act as liquidity around the space, right? Then you see price does something like this, come back. Now do something like this. You see price do something like this, come back to this high. Now before selling off aggressively, because this particular POI, this particular supply level right here that they were supposed to sell from, it is still valid. That's why the price came back to reclaim that particular POI and sell off that particular supply, right? So this is what it looks like. Basically. It is what the retail traders call the head and shoulder chart pattern, right? This is what it looks like. So this is the shoulder. This is the supply that was supposed to be mitigated before the price sold, but it failed. Now, price will still come back to retest that supply before selling off. So this is what the retail trader call the head and shoulder chart pattern, although they don't actually know why it formed, right? So now I'm explaining to you. You feel me? So now for the QMC, let's say the price is buying. So like I said, I told you QMR is a reversal chart pattern, right? Why QMC? So let's assume we have a particular POI here. The price is buying. The price is buying, doing something like this, right? Let's say you have it in mind that the price is supposed to sell from this your POI, right? After let's say the price mitigates, break structure and come to your supply, your valid supply, you feel me? And it was supposed to actually sell off from this place, but instead the price breaks that POI, invalidated your supply, right? Now this supply will change to a demand, right? The price will come back to retest it and then buy aggressively or whatever from there. So this is QMC, this is QMC, right? It's a QUASIMODO continuation chart pattern, while this one is a QUASIMODO reversal chart pattern. We use this one for a reversal chart. This is a reversal chart pattern, and this is a continuation chart pattern for a buy or for a sell, right? So now let me show you on gold. This is a valid supply right there. You can see this supply is very, very valid for a sell. The price was supposed to mitigate that particular supply, and sell off. But what happened? You see, price got to this place, bought, and eventually that supply failed. This particular supply, you see, it failed, right? Now after that supply failed, see what happened? It came back to reclaim that particular supply. So that's why I say a QMC is a continuation chart pattern. This is gold, by the way, and this is the NFP. Well, your stop loss would have been slightly below this place and target realistic take profits, right? Now let me show you one more. So this particular sell was supposed to be this price action that happened here was supposed to be a continuation for this particular for all this move right here, basically. You feel me? But see what happened? It invalidated it and came back up. Now if you know how to use QMC with all these criteria that you saw here, it was not supposed to be invalidated, but it was invalidated, meaning it will act as a demand in place of a supply. That's why you would have easily reclaimed your money. Your stop loss would have just been right below this place, and you would have bought. Boom. That's how you would have made your money back. So you will see on gold, we use this QMC alone to catch two setups, right? This is one, and this is another one during NFP. You feel me? Yo, so that's that about QMR and QMC. It's very simple. It's just about reclaiming POIs. You feel me? It's very simple to use. Of course, if you can spot it, if you know it. So if you find value in this video, if you learn one or two, make sure you smash the like button, follow for more, and also share this video to someone. So I'll catch you guys in another one. Peace.